People always asking why I sell stuff before I fix it. And it's like, well, I got a couple projects laying around. This stuff, sometimes you don't even know what to pick. There's a couple big wheels in there I want to get to. Nice KTM 360. Some projects in here. This one I've been busting my knuckles on. Some stuff like this. Stuff I want to do. Some of my toys, some other stuff. Another project over there. It's a little peak. Just all kind of stuff, all kind of projects. So there's a KTM 250 over there that I actually did finish. You wonder why I don't want to work on project, because I do work on damn projects now. I can't just work on every 125M I pick up, because I got a shit more over there. Oh, why don't you do the Breeze? Why don't you put the starter clutch in the Breeze? Well, goddamn, why don't you get that one going? I will. It's just, I gotta pick my spots. I'm not working on any of this stuff. Some of it I drove over here. So if it gets slow, then I work on it. But I concentrate on everything else first. Let's talk some projects real quick. Why don't I do these other projects? Why don't I have that one done? Why ain't I working on this other one? Why isn't the other one finished? Or why don't you have, got another one done? Or do that other one? And there's like 4 in the corner back there. That's some of my favorites, guys. I'm gonna get, there's some projects. Come on. I can't do all of it. I just try and pick my spots. That's just what's here, So that's why you should be taking advantage when I say I got something for sale for cheap. And it just needs a little bit of work. And I just don't have time to do it. But you're loading it.